Hello students, how are you? I hope you are enjoying your time. Today I am here to help you in story writing. It is essential for class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So be attentive enough to know how a story is written or completed in exam. At first I am going to tell about title. Title can vary or may vary from student to student, no problem. If I say that a story here in tortoise, the title can be speed versus slow, a hare and a tortoise, the story of a hare and a tortoise, slow and steady wins the race. In this way the title can vary, no problem for that. Relating to the story, you can write your title. You should not have any type of tension for that. Okay. Beginning sentences, beginning sentences. In the question, in question paper, there will be, in question paper, there will be given 2 or 3 sentences. 2 or 3 sentences will be given. You have to write the sentences at first. Then go to joining sentence, then go to joint sentences. I have to mention here, I have to tell you something here that the stories are given to show your creativity, to reflect your creativity actually. As common stories are given in exam, that's why students are reading always common stories from books. But this type of stories should be, or stories should be given in uncommon way so that students can complete the story. Such as Serena is a garment worker, not a specific story. So in that case, students will try to complete the story in their own way, and that will be much more interesting. Now I have to tell that story. What type of stories are those? Absolutely fables type story, fables type. You know Aesop. Aesop wrote many stories, fables type. If you say that, what is fable? Fables are short stories with moral message. There must have a message that the man became successful and helped the humanity, helped the general people, and worked for the welfare of the people, or for the welfare of the family, or did something extraordinary for the humanity, for people, for family, or in other sections. In this way, there must have a moral lesson in your story. In that way you have to complete the story. Such as Mr. Ant and Mr. Grasshopper, you all have heard the story. The moral is that in proper time you have to do your work, otherwise you will have to suffer. In that way, such as here in tortoise story, slow and steady wins the race. This type of moral or message must have in your story. So whatever the story is uncommon, at that time you have to complete the story with moral message. If you say that, sir, a common story has been given in exam, but I don't know that, everybody knows. Okay, no problem. If the story is common, but it is unknown to you, okay, no problem. You can write it in your own way. That will be more interesting. It doesn't matter that the examiner will not give you any credit. Okay. Then join sentence 10 or 14 sentences. Given sentence 2 or 3, and you have to join 10 or 14 sentences. If you ask me what counts, 120 words. That means total story will cover 2 pages and 120, 130 words. Then narrative. There are actually 3 types of writings: descriptive, narrative, methodological. Methodological means instructive, how to write a story, how to write a composition in these types. Descriptive. That means discipline or other types of things. Narrative, the past story, absolutely in past tense. Past means past simple, past continuous, past perfect continuous. You must write it in past tense. So that means your story should be in past tense. Then moral if possible. Many students are confused enough that whatever I should give here or I need moral. If it is possible related to your story appropriately, write the moral. If it is not possible, you should not you need not write it. It doesn't hold any credit. So you have to think that moral is not mandatory here. So if I recap again, title may vary from student to student. You have to write 2 or 3 sentences in question given. Joining sentence 10 or 14 sentences. If the story is common, you know, okay, in common way complete the story. If it is uncommon, okay, you can complete in your own way, writing the story or creating the story. And what that story must be fables type. In your story, there must have a moral lesson. There what count sentence 10 or 14 sentences, what count 1 or 20 sentences, and according to the level you have to write in that way. Such as 6 7 level students write in simple way, class 9 10 level, 11 12 level they will write it in using complex sentence, compound sentence. A higher level they must maintain that in this way. Narrative, that must be in past tense. Then moral if possible. That's all. If you have any query, any question, write on comment box. I am always ready to help you. Your friend is always ready to help you. Maybe it will take time, but I will reply. I promise you. So that's all. Bye.